Hello student, today we will study the medicinal uses of microorganisms. Microorganisms are used in the field of the medicine, and microorganisms are used in the preparation of the antibiotics, capsule, tablets and the injection. Now the question arises, what is the antibiotics? Antibiotics, those medicine which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. A number of antibiotics are being produced from the bacteria and the fungi like the streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin and the penicillin, etc. In 1929, Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotics, penicillin. Discovery of the penicillin was the accidental, and Alexander Fleming was doing research about the disease causing bacteria. They cultured the disease causing bacteria in the petri dish. This is the petri dish, and they cultured the disease causing bacteria. This is the bacteria. Few days later, spore of the green molds. This is the green mold. Few days later, spore of the green molds appear on the cultural petri dish. This is the green molds. And they observe that the spore of the green mold kill the bacteria or stop the multiplication of the bacteria. Due to the presence of the green molds, these bacteria kill or stop the reproduction. Then they thought to make the medicine from the juice of the green molds, and which kill the disease causing bacteria, and this medicine is the penicillin. In this way, the penicillin was discovered by the Alexander Fleming. This was the accidental. Antibiotics are used to control the plant disease. Second, antibiotics are manufactured by the growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of the disease. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check the microbial infection. So this is the significance of the antibiotics. Then what precaution should take to use the antibiotics? And it is important to remember that antibiotics should be taken only to advice of a qualified doctor, and also must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. If you take antibiotics when not needed or in wrong doses, it may make the drug less effective when you might need it in the future. And also antibiotic taken unnecessary may kill the useful bacteria in our body. This is about the medicinal uses of the microorganism. So that's all with today's lecture. Thank you.